In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDF bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat. Bookmarks are a simple way to help readers jump to key sections of a PDF without endless scrolling. Whether you're organizing a report, a manual, or a presentation, bookmarks make navigation faster and more professional. I'll walk you through 3 straightforward methods you can use right inside Adobe Acrobat, and you can pick whichever feels most natural to you. Let's start with the Bookmarks panel. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and head to the exact page you want to bookmark. Look to the right side of the window for the bookmark icon. It typically looks like a small ribbon. Click it to open the Bookmarks panel. At the top of that panel, you'll see a new bookmark icon. Click it, and a new entry will appear. Type a clear, descriptive name, something that tells your readers exactly what they'll find, and press Enter. That's it. You've created your first bookmark, and it now links directly to the page you were on. If you prefer an even quicker approach, try right-clicking on the page. Again, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and navigate to the page you want. Right-click anywhere on the page and choose Add Bookmark from the pop-up menu. A new bookmark will appear in the Bookmarks panel. Click on its name to rename it to something meaningful, then press Enter. This method is handy when you're actively reading and want to mark a spot without moving your focus to the panel first. For a fast, keyboard-friendly option, you can create a bookmark based on selected text. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and go to the page you want. Use the Select tool to highlight the specific text you'd like the bookmark to reference. Think of a section title, heading, or label. Then press Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac. Acrobat will create a new bookmark in the Bookmarks panel, automatically naming it after the text you highlighted. This is especially useful if your document already has clear headings because it keeps your bookmark names consistent and saves typing time. No matter which method you use, naming your bookmarks clearly helps your readers find what they need without guesswork. And once you're done adding bookmarks, make sure your PDF is saved so those changes stick. That's all it takes. 3 easy ways to create PDF bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat. Using the Bookmarks panel, right-clicking on the page, or the keyboard shortcut with selected text. Choose the method that fits your workflow and start building a more navigable, reader-friendly PDF.